ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which provides developer-friendly and powerful SDKs and APIs to build many communication features such as video call, voice chat, live streaming, video conference, and much more. As you can see here, they provide pre-built UIs so that we don't need to spend much time building UIs from scratch. They'll provide a pre-built UI code which you can copy paste and develop rapidly. Yeah. Here you can see they provide one-on-one call kit, group call kit, video conference kit, live streaming kit, and a 20 plus pre-built UIs, much more. They also provide SDKs. SDK is for people who are going to build from scratch. And they also offer first 10,000 minutes free. And there is no catch for credit card here. You don't need credit card to start yet. Okay guys, let's start building. It will redirect us to the console. Here you have to register. As I already registered, I'll log in. I'll pause the video for a second. I'll log in and then I'll resume. Once you're logged in, it will redirect you to the admin console. Here you can view your analytic dashboard, statistics, projects, and other things. Here, as you can see, we have utilized 0 minutes out of 10,000 available minutes.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to build the next part, which is we are going to implement the order screen and we are going to implement the place order as well. Yeah, let's start building it. First we'll implement the place order functionality. For that we are going to create a file in Firebase folder order.js, and I have imported the necessary things which is required for building this order thing. Export cons to orders. This is a asynchronous function, so we are mentioning async, and cons user docref. We are creating a reference for user document, and db users collection, wrap it with double quotes, and we are going to pass the current user id, current user.uid, and we are going to create a user document snapshot. Wait, get doc user document reference. Yeah, if user exists, if user doc snapshot dot exists, then we are going to fetch the user data. If user exists, user doc snapshot dot data. Yeah, then we are going to fetch the cart items, user data dot cart, and we are going to create order items. It should be user data dot order items, or yeah. So what you are going to do is we are map through each item in the cart and we are going to push that into order array. Order items dot push order id So what this will do is, this is a inbuilt function from Firebase. It will generate a random ID with a length of 12. Yeah, item dot id, I guess, id, and image is item dot image, title is item dot title, brand is item dot brand, and then price is item dot price, and quantity is item dot quantity, then date is date of order is new date dot to local string. Yeah, this will format the date. And once we are done with this, we are going to update the user document with the current orders. User docref orders will be order items, and cart will be empty because we have added everything in this order items. We push everything from cart item to order items. Then we have to return success as true, and then data as order items. Yeah, fine. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new context for order context.js. just copy paste any one of the contexts. We'll copy paste cart context and put into order context. Just click Ctrl D and change everything to order, and finally change cart provider to order provider. Hit save and go to order, hit save. Let's close these files. Move on to app.js, and here we need a couple of states as well. Const orders, comma, set orders equal to use state of null. Yeah, let's import order provider. Just a minute. Yeah, we'll import order provider and we'll wrap the navigation container around it. Let's pass the props. Value is orders, comma, set orders. Now let's move on to cart screen. I guess we have to open the total summary card. Before that, let's hit save. Open total summary card. In total summary card, we are going to create set cart items. We are going to pull set cart items from context. You use context, and we are going to pass cart context and const set order item, set orders. I guess I'll make sure once again. Set order, just a minute. It's set orders. Use context, order context. Yeah, let's create an arrow function to place the orders. This is a asynchronous function. Const await add to orders. Just a minute, I guess I forgot to export it. Export const add to orders. Fine. Yeah, done. Add to orders, and then if it is success, we are going to show a toast. Order placed successfully. and then it should be displayed at the bottom. Yeah, once it's done, we are going to set the cart items as empty, the local state, and we are going to set the order items with new data. Yeah, finally we have to map this with the pressable place order. Let's save this. I guess we are done. Let's go to cart. Before that we have to log in. Here the error is showing because we didn't log in. Yeah, now we are logged in successfully. Let's place the order. Now you can see the order is placed successfully. Here the price is also got updated. Let's open the console in Firebase and let's check if the order is placed or not. In the Firebase we can see the orders. Yeah, now the cart is empty. As you can see, we have one order which we placed earlier. Now we are going to display the order whichever we have placed in this screen. Let's start building it. Let's open VS Code. Let's move on to order screen. Yeah. First, before building the component, let's go to order.js and build the function and create a function to fetch the products, fetch the orders from the Firebase. Export const get all order items. This is a asynchronous function. Const user ref. Here again we are going to create a reference for user collection, and we are going to pass the current user.uid. Yeah, and counts user docs snapshot. You don't need to type everything, you can just copy paste from the above functions. And const data user doc snapshot dot data dot orders, return success true and data. Yeah, let's save this and let's go to order screen. Yeah, now everything is perfect. Let's start building it. Let's go to order screen. Let's import navigation prop over here. Use effect. Navigation. We are going to hide the navigation header. So navigation.head header shown is false. Again, during the initial render beginning, we are going to fetch all orders. Now we have to create the fetch all orders function. Const fetch all orders. This is a asynchronous one. So const res await get all order items. If result is success, then we are going to set orders as dot data. Yeah, this set orders will come from the order context, so we are going to pull the set order const set orders, use context, and we are going to pass order context, and we do need is logged in state as well, so that we will display the orders only if the user is logged in. Here we need auth context. Before that, we are going to create a order item component. Yeah, let's save. I guess everything would work fine. Okay, let's start building it. Safe area view. Style sheet doesn't exist. We don't need this line as we are using Tailwind CSS. Let's save again and run once again. Yeah. Class name of flex1, and it should occupy full width, and background should be white. Let's create a view. Inside that we are going to put a text. It should display my orders. This is similar to my card which we built previously. Everything including styles. The only thing here what differs is the order item which we are going to pass. Again, the logic is same here, is logged in. Later we'll implement the logic. Initially we'll build the order item component. Scroll view, order item. Let's save and run again. Let's start building the order item component. Here image, let's hit save. Just go to cart items, and as of now we use bag for dummy data representation image. Fine, let's start building it. We are going to create one more view, inside that another view, and inside that we are going to image, and the source would be bag, and class name of rounded XL, height of 24 units and width of 24 units, an object contain. Let's save. Yeah, now you can see the bag over there. Fine. Let's create one more view, inside that another view, and inside that let's create a bunch of text components. If you want to just copy paste similar to me, just hold Shift Alt and down arrow key. It might change for your code editor. Do check it as well. Let's the title be again bag, and the brand be traveler, tote, and quantity be 3, and the text date be let's give it a random date 25/5/23, and order ID of a random 11-digit ID. Summer, what is summer this? Okay. Then we create one more view, and inside there a text which shows the price, $14.99. Let's save, and yeah, that's it. Let's style this quickly, everything. Let's give this a class name of, let's set the background white, and justify center to an item center, to align the item center vertically and horizontally, and it should be rounded, and it should occupy the full width, and fill with the margin bottom of 2 units, border, and border color slate 200 variant. Let's hit save. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. A class name of, here everything is displaying vertically, we have to make it looking horizontally. Flex row, justify center, and item center. Class name item center, justify center. Class name of flex1, flex row, justify between item center, width of 100%, and padding left of 2. Class name here flex row, padding x of 3 units, and a height of 8, justify center, items center. Now you can see the gap here as well. Let's start styling this. Class name of text access, here it should be font bold, and here it should have a margin top of 1 unit, and everything else is the same. Yeah, and here the price, will make this a little bit bolder, so font extra bold. Let's hit save. Yeah, now it's looking good. You can see the line as well in the bottom. Let's head over to order screen. And we'll style this scroll view a little bit. Let's give it a margin top of 4 units and a padding top of 4 units. Let's hit save. Yeah, flex one with full. Let's add some padding over here. Padding of 4 units. Yeah, now it's looking good. I guess now we don't need this margin top of 4. Yeah, now it's looking good. Fine, let's make it dynamic now. So what we are going to do is, we are going to iterate through the orders. Orders set contest. Just a minute. Yeah. And orders. Okay. Fine. Orders dot map. Order. key is order.id and brand order.brand, and quantity is order.quantity, then title order.title, and then date order.date, and order ID order.order ID, and then image order.image, and price order.price. Fine, let's hit save. Okay, before moving on that, let's implement the conditional rendering. If the user is logged in, we are going to display this part. Otherwise, we are going to display the same. Just copy paste the same whatever you did in cart screen. Let's hit save. Yeah, now the user is logging, that's why it's showing. Let's make it dynamic. Let's go over here, order item, change this to title order ID, image, brand, date, price, quantity. Changes with brand, and replace this hard-coded number with quantity, and this one with date, and finally this one with order ID. And before that, I guess we need to add some little bit styling over there. Yeah, class name, font semi bold, this is enough. And finally this $14 with price. I guess that's it. Let's save and check. Yeah, here we forgot to change the image URI image. Yeah, let's hit save. Now perfect. Let's check it once more. Let's buy something. Let's view all. Let's buy this running shirt. Let's buy 2 of this. Add to cart. Item added to cart. Let's go over here. Now we can see the item. Let's place order. You can see the subtotal as well. Order placed successfully. Yeah, now you can see the orders. Fine. In the next video, we'll build the profile screen and we'll implement the logout functionality. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.